Mealtimes in Germany and New Zealand. Sandra. Sandra explains what her family would normally eat in Germany. Mein Vater holt jeden Morgen beim Bäcker frische Brötchen für das Frühstück. Wir essen sie meistens mit Butter und Marmelade oder Honig. Manchmal auch mit Salami oder Käse. Dazu trinken wir Kaffee oder Tee. What does Sandra's father do before breakfast? So every morning he goes to collect fresh bread rolls from the baker, or you could have put bakery. So remember those bits of detail, okay? So fetching rolls alone is fine, but you need more to get more. What do the family put on their rolls? Usually butter and jam or honey, and sometimes also salami or cheese, and they drink either coffee or tea with that. Alright, so it looks like you have to just put simple answers like butter, jam, salami, cheese, coffee or tea, but putting those little extras in makes the difference. Okay, so also salami or cheese, and they drink either coffee or tea with that, so you got dazu, with that. Mittags essen wir meistens warm, Kartoffeln mit Fleisch und Gemüse und zu Beginn eine Suppe. Zum Nachtisch gibt es oft Obst. Abends essen wir kalt, Brot mit Käse oder Aufschnitt. Gewöhnlich trinken meine Eltern abends Tee, aber wenn Gäste kommen, trinken sie Wein oder Bier. Ich trinke Mineralwasser, denn ich mag keinen Tee, und mein Bruder trinkt lieber Saft. So, describe the midday meals. Give details. Now, I've highlighted that give details because sometimes they put give details, sometimes they don't put give details. So, always give details, alright? For instance, here, explain why. That's another way of saying give details. Okay, so for lunch they have a cooked meal. So see where I've put lunch rather than midday meal. It's just so that you get the idea that they're talking about lunch. Okay, and it says meistens warm. Yeah, so mostly warm. Well, warm means it's cooked. Okay, so put a cooked meal. Potatoes, meat and vegetables. Question D. What does the family drink with their evening meal? Explain why. Her parents will usually drink tea in the evening, but will drink wine or beer if they have guests. Sandra drinks sparkling mineral water because she doesn't like tea, and her brother prefers fruit juice. And there's a few things in here that I want to bring your attention to. Where it says, Ich trinke Mineralwasser, Ich trinke Mineralwasser, it literally means mineral water. Okay? But we're talking about sparkling mineral water because Germans do not buy still water in bottles, okay? Or not usually. So it's a hint that it's sparkling mineral water, and you're expected to know that sort of thing. Mineral water on its own is fine, but having those extra bits all adds up towards excellences. So she drinks sparkling mineral water because she doesn't like tea, and her brother prefers fruit juice. So two things there. Und mein Bruder trinkt lieber. Okay, preferably he prefers juice. Okay, Saft means juice, but again the implication is that it's fruit juice. Alright, so adding those things are really quite important as well. Okay, cool.